I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering on and prepping the essentials. Plug the watch into its charger and wait until battery shows at least 20%. While charging, install the watchmaker's companion app on your phone and grant Bluetooth plus location permissions so discovery works. Once done, open the app and follow the guided setup prompts until the app asks you to pair a new device. Make sure airplane mode is off on both devices and that the watch shows the pairing screen so the phone can find it. You'll see the watch name appear in the app's device list. Tap it and confirm the numeric PIN shown on both screens to verify identity. Next, grant the requested permissions, notifications, contacts, and health data because they enable alerts, call ID, and activity tracking. Denying them limits features. Once paired, let the app sync time, user profile, and available watch faces. This may take a few minutes, so remain nearby and keep Bluetooth active until the progress completes. You finish by checking for firmware updates in the app and applying them. Updates often fix bugs and add features, so make sure to restart the watch afterward to activate changes. Then test core functions: incoming call alerts, message notifications, heart rate or step sensors, and watch face customization. If pairing fails, force restart both phone and watch, toggle Bluetooth off and on, and retry pairing. If problems persist, uninstall the app, restart devices, reinstall, and attempt pairing again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.